What's up guys, hope everyone's doing well. Just wanted to provide another brief update on Bitcoin. So in my last video I talked about what I anticipate from not just Bitcoin but the broader crypto market in general after we saw the huge upside move we were expecting into our major resistance targets. So I mentioned I expect Bitcoin to simply range and consolidate within this area here. You'll notice that I'm looking at the Binance chart today instead of Bybit, as Bybit still has a huge wick here that hasn't been filled for some reason, and it's been filled on pretty much every other major exchange, so it just makes more sense for us to look at a Binance chart than Bybit at the moment. Bitcoin has just been ranging here for the last 13 days, give or take, offering some good opportunities for day traders looking to just trade the range. I did let our members know when we were approaching this high here that I was cautious with looking for more shorts, as I was expecting volatility in the coming days, and we did in fact see the range invalidated just a few days later here. I also talked a bit about seeing alts rally if Bitcoin did decide to consolidate in this area. Now obviously we have seen some major rallies across the broader crypto market in the last couple of weeks. And personally, I love trading altcoins and have given out multiple signals this week in the Discord to our top floor members, all of which have resulted in profit. You can take a quick look at some of them here. Not all have hit our final targets yet, but we have secured at the very least take profit 1 on every single trade, and of course moved our stop losses to entry on those. Now the big question is, where is Bitcoin going next? And while no one, including myself, can say for certain, I do feel we will see another move to the upside. And I'm going to explain why and give you guys the targets to the upside that I'm looking for. But just before I get into that, a quick reminder, if you guys are enjoying the video, please remember to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the month, and with your help we can get there. Now the reason I expect Bitcoin to get another move to the upside is because of the lack of strong rejection here so far. Now that might sound obvious, and there are obviously more technical factors at play here which I will go into in a moment, but after such an impulsive move to the upside, typically we'd like to see a very strong rejection very quickly if there's no real strength or expected continuation in the move. On top of that, over the last 14 days, we've seen an increase in open interest in the form of mostly new longs. And if we do see another move up, I would be targeting somewhere between $37,500 and $40,000. So this area I have marked just up here, as this is the end of the imbalance that we are kind of currently in the middle of. Now, although we have seen an increase in open interest over the last 13 days, we've also seen a drop in volume, which could indicate a potential reversal. And as traders, it's good to be aware of both situations and possibilities. So let's take a look at what a reversal from here could potentially look like. Now, we still have an open CME gap down here at $20,330. In the past, when the market really starts moving, we have left these gaps unfilled. However, more often than not, they always get closed, so that's something worth keeping in mind. If we drop down to here, this would also close all imbalances below us, like here and here. And given the lack of volume on some of these impulsive moves up, we could definitely close them very quickly. So in conclusion, guys, I guess right now it's best to remain patient and wait for either a strong sign of strength or weakness before jumping into a trade. Personally, I'm leaning towards a more bullish scenario, but I'm remaining prepared for both possibilities. So that's pretty much everything I wanted to cover in today's video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.